Hello to everyone and welcome back to my track. Today we will talk about compression, parallel compression, New York compression. This technique is very useful for the drums in special, and you can combine the drums and the bass for a nice effect. This compression will give you a punchy low end and a fullness in the low end. And in my track Energy, I'm using parallel compression on kicks and some on drums. Let me show you on kicks. Here is my Maximus. I just load it in my track and I just go to presets and select New York compression. And from there I just tweak the knob. This is the mix of the parallel compression. So for me here is like 39%. You can see in the left corner here. Let's hear how it sound the drop of the Energy, my latest song. And here my song is not master. I have all my master plugins bypassed. And here we have this kick and this kick who is going to the kick bass. The first kick sounds like the second kick is sound like this. This is a top kick. I needed to cut it through the mix. So the two kicks going to the bass and they have parallel compression. I use the parallel compression, New York compression in all my tracks for the kick. It makes a lot of difference. Let's see how it sounds without. And the first only the kicks. Now this is a huge difference. And let's see in the sound. And on the drums I have multi-band compression which is doing like kind of the same thing in the sub mix of the percussion too. So here is my parallel compression here. Here I punch it even more. Let's hear with and without. And even this multi-band compression is making a difference. Here we have the attack very low, the release pretty high, the release, second release, and we have on the peaks, not on RMS, and the sustain like 10 milliseconds, which is a lot. This is the parallel compression, but you can make it in different ways. Let's use another compression and try to make this parallel compression. I will load a different compressor and try to make a parallel compression. But for this I recommend to not load the compressor in the same track and to make a different track like this and route it the kick to this one too. So I put the threshold like minus 12 dB, the release pretty high, and the ratio, let's go to the max, 4 to 1, 6 to 1, kind of. And we go for the drop where the kick hit. And what we want to do now is to raise the gain till the volume of the parallel compression is the same volume of the kick. Let's see. So you see the difference when I lower the parallel compression. And for this compression to work with another compression, you need to add an EQ. You boost it like 3 or 4 dB. Let's put 3 per 5. And around 10k, boost it again. Let's see now. So you see, when the parallel compression is on, it's cutting through the mix. It sounds very full, but I prefer with a Maximus, which is, for me, it sounds more better. This is how you use the parallel compression on the kicks and on the drums. When you used to use this, you will never go back and leave the kick like it is. You can combine the kick and the percussion with the bass, and you will have more better sound. So use this technique and listen to my songs. Till the next time, listen to my tracks, subscribe to my channel, and peace.